Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox and review all things tech. It's KBB Alpha here, and today we have another unboxing and review video of the Lenovo Legion Headset Case. Today I'm going to enlist the assistance of Sir Kid Blue Boo here. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started.
The Lenovo Legion Headset Case, a semi-hard, not fully hard case to carry and protect your Legion gaming headset. Protective semi-hard, not yet fully hard, top and bottom shell. Inlay for perfect fit of Legion headsets. Removable inlay for more flexible use. Mesh pocket for extra cables or accessories. Specifically designed for the Lenovo Legion H500 Pro 7.1 surround sound gaming headset or the Lenovo Legion H300 stereo gaming headset. You must only use Lenovo Legion headsets for this Lenovo Legion headset case. If you do not, Lenovo Legion headquarters receives a message indicating that there is an individual who is not using this properly and will promptly send a Lenovo Legionnaires to quietly deal with you. User be warned.
Now, the somewhat bulky Legion headset case is made of a semi-hard, not yet fully hard, molded EVA foam top and bottom shell. Now, it will 100% protect your Legion headset from any and all types of damage. However, be warned, it is only 50% effective at protecting your virginity as it is semi-hard. The BDSM pleather handle comes standard, so you are ready for any and all occasions. Now let's take a look at the inside of the Legion headset case. Using two fingers, gently slide open the zippers on both ends to open the case. Once opened, you have two compartments. The one on the right has one pocket that can be used to hold your hand or whatever you like. It is not big enough for another headset, however. Moving to the headset area, we have a pre-cut out of a Legion H500 or H300 headset. Notice the Legion logo that will report any non-Legion headset to Legion headquarters should you attempt to test their rules by placing another non-Legion sanctioned headset in its place. Now we're going to take off the pre-cut out to reveal a hidden compartment, which is perfect for hiding your feelings or other questionable items. Just don't hide it from TSA, because they will definitely find it and place you on their temporary guest list. Here's another close-up of the Legion cutout. As you can see, there is a pull tab to lift it out and to help guide it back in. Now I'm going to take my Lenovo Legion sanctioned H500 Pro 7.1 surround sound gaming headset and show you all how it fits perfectly in the cutout. Now as you can see, you may have to jiggle it around a little bit since it is still tight and has not yet been used. We'll store the cable right in the middle there, and we will ever so gently close the lid and gently zip it back up. Make sure to grab hold of the BDSM strap as that's what it's used for. Now we're going to take the case and shake it around. Let me hold on to the zippers here, it's making too much noise. Now we're going to shake it around, see how it doesn't move inside the case. It's only effective for Lenovo Legion sanctioned headsets. Alright everyone, that's pretty much it for my unboxing and review. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and drop a like or comment or even subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.
What's this boy doing? No, boy, don't do it. No, no!